Get AI-powered test coverage insights. Discover how to instantly create and organize manual test cases using AI, boosting QA coverage in onboarding projects. Start by selecting your organization's project workspace. Go to Requirements to review project essentials and track quality metrics. Switch to Stories for a clear view of all requirement-driven tasks. Select a specific story to dive into workflow details and track progress. Open the Test Cases tab to connect requirements directly to test validation. Use Generate with AI to speed up the creation of relevant test cases. Click on Generate Test Coverage. AI-powered test coverage analysis is ready. Expand untested critical areas for instant insight into coverage gaps. Check optimization suggestions to uncover customized ways to maximize your test suite. Scroll and click to select the manual test type. Choose Manual Test Case Generation for human-driven, thorough validation steps. Click Generate Test Cases to produce detailed tests tailored to your workflow needs. Then you can see the AI-generated manual test cases. Expand to reveal every step in your newly created manual test case. Go back to your main workflow view when you're done reviewing details. Select all generated test cases at once for streamlined batch management. Add a new test case to your suite for comprehensive onboarding validation. Pick a target folder to keep your test cases organized and easily accessible. Assign your test case to the Demo folder for easy demo access. Confirm your folder selection to complete the organization process. This is the Linked Test Cases dashboard. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos from SpurQuality.